Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best mattresses you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Helix Midnight Luxe is a premium hybrid mattress tailored for side sleepers and those who shift during the night. It features a medium firmness, combining foam and over 1,000 pocketed coils for balance support and pressure relief. Key elements include a quilted pillow top for added comfort, zoned lumbar support for proper spinal alignment, and a breathable cover option in Tencel or Glacier Tex. Its construction includes 6 layers, ensuring durability, edge support, and minimal motion transfer, ideal for couples. With a 13.5-inch height, it offers a luxurious feel, accommodating various sleep styles, though heavier stomach sleepers might need firmer support. The DreamCloud Luxury Hybrid is a premium mattress blending memory foam and innerspring coils for a luxurious sleep experience. It features a breathable cashmere blend cover, gel memory foam for pressure relief, and reinforced edge support to prevent sagging. The 7-layer construction includes a quilted top, adaptive memory foam, and pocketed springs that provide contouring support and minimize motion transfer. Rated medium firm, it suits various sleep positions, side, back, or stomach. While not explicitly a cooling mattress, its hybrid design promotes breathability. With excellent temperature regulation and durability, it is an ideal choice for those seeking comfort and support. The Brooklyn Bedding Signature Mattress is a versatile hybrid option that balances comfort and support, appealing to various sleep styles. It features a 12-inch profile with a quilted polyene cotton cover, hyper-elastic Supreme Response foam for contouring and buoyancy, and an 8-inch layer of pocketed coils for support, breathability, and edge stability. Available in 3 firmness levels, soft, medium, and firm, it caters to side, back, and stomach sleepers. Its foam and coil combination offers excellent motion isolation, ideal for couples. Designed with cooling materials, it regulates temperature, and an optional cooling pillow top enhances breathability. Durable and affordable, it's a standout hybrid choice. The Saatva Classic is a luxury hybrid mattress blending traditional innerspring support with modern comfort features. It has a dual coil system of over 1,000 coils, providing excellent support, durability, and motion isolation. The mattress includes a 3-inch Euro pillow top made from organic cotton for plush comfort and pressure relief, alongside lumbar zone technology that targets spinal alignment. It comes in 3 firmness levels, soft, medium firm, and firm, catering to different sleep preferences and styles. Notable for eco-friendly materials, including organic cotton and recycled steel, it balances temperature and maintains structural integrity, appealing to those seeking long-lasting quality and comfort. The Siena Gel Memory Foam Mattress is an affordable and comfortable choice, ideal for a range of sleepers. It features a layer of gel-infused memory foam that adapts to body shape, providing pressure relief and temperature regulation. With a medium firm feel, it strikes a balance between comfort and support, making it suitable for most sleep positions. The breathable cover enhances cooling, while the 5-layer design supports proper spinal alignment and minimizes motion transfer, ensuring undisturbed sleep. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Siena delivers quality comfort, making it a reliable option for those seeking an economical yet supportive mattress.